Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top corner here, click on Roblox logo and you will find some options here. Then click on this settings gear option and then scroll down and make the graphics mode on manual, then make the graphics quality into %, or if you have a low PC then make it on 1%. And then all what you have to do is click on resume, and congratulations, it's gonna be working for you well. If it's not, then you have to go to your desktop or your PC and go down here and make sure to turn off all those apps right here. Click on exit and here click exit, and after that click on here on the bar and open the task manager, then go to this details option, scroll down until you find Roblox. Here is it, and click on your right mouse, click set priority and choose high. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.